Okay, we are looking at moles to mass, the stoichiometry involved with changing moles into mass. So we have a problem that says determine the mass of sodium chloride produced when 1.25 moles of chlorine gas reacts with excess sodium. Excess just means we have extra sodium, it's not limiting us. The chlorine gas will limit us. Well, first, you notice that we're moving from moles of chlorine gas to mass of sodium chloride, from one compound to another. So therefore, we have to make our balanced chemical reaction. We do that, it looks like this: 2 sodiums plus 1 chlorine gas. And notice it is Cl2 because this is a diatomic. Chlorine is one of the diatomic elements, that if it's by itself, it must be as a pair. Produces 2 sodium chlorides, 2 salt molecules. So let's set up our skeleton using 1.25 as our starting point, 1.25 moles of chlorine. And next we're going to use our mole ratio. Well, we find that by looking at our balanced chemical reaction and seeing that I have 1 mole of chlorine for every 2 moles of sodium chloride. So I put that ratio into my skeleton. Again, chlorine goes on bottom because whatever's here always goes down, and moles of sodium chloride go on top. My next step, I don't want to end up with moles, right? And have moles on the top, but I don't want moles, I want mass. Mass is in grams. So therefore, I need to find the molar mass of my sodium chloride in order to change my moles of sodium chloride into mass of sodium chloride. So therefore, I add up my 1 sodium and 1 chlorine, and I find my molar mass is 58.44 grams per mole. So I put that into my skeleton like this, that 1 mole of sodium goes on the bottom, not sodium, sodium chloride, because again, what's on top always goes to the bottom, and the grams 58.44 go on top. You certainly could have done these separately. First, take this and multiply by this and get that answer, and then take that and multiply it by 58. But again, I use the skeleton as a way to put all those together. We multiply our tops, just simply multiplying these guys all together, and I don't have to divide because these are both 1, and I get 146. Why do I round to 146? Because this is only 3 significant digits. So therefore, if I start off with 1.25 moles of chlorine, I will produce 146 grams of sodium chloride. Hope that is helpful for you.